To manage and register incoming documents, select the Ready to Register tile to open the document journal. The document journal serves as the entry point for all documents, such as invoices, orders, and credit memos entering Business Central. On the right-hand side, the document viewer displays the invoice currently selected in the document list. To the left, you see the document list. At the moment, it shows all the open documents. By changing the filter in the top right corner, you can see the previously registered or rejected documents. Let's stick to the open documents. Below the list, you will find the document header and a comment section. We'll get back to those two sections in a moment. The first document in the list is from First Up Consultants. As you can see, Document Capture has already identified the vendor and recognized the content of the PDF invoice. Pointing at a value field like the invoice number makes the document viewer highlight orange and blue markings. The colors indicate where Document Capture found the information in the invoice. Orange boxes represent the captions, and blue boxes show the values you want to recognize. Scroll through the fields in the header section to see where Document Capture identified each value. When the invoice is received, Document Capture automatically applies a set of configuration rules, known as a template, to the document. The template includes recognition rules, requirements that must be met, and workflow settings. In the document journal comment section, messages about the document might appear. These messages help you fill in any missing information and ensure the document is valid. Everything looks great except for a couple of messages in the comment section. The warning indicates that the payment terms in the document differs from the vendor card settings and that the due date might need validation. The error marked in red shows that an account must be selected before registering the invoice. If you prefer to have a colleague choose an account later, perhaps during approval, you can easily adjust the requirements in the template. Navigate to the account number field and either type in the account number or choose the GL account from the chart of accounts. Let's choose the GL account 31010, Office Supplies. When selecting the account, Continia Document Capture asks if you want to use this account for future purchase documents from First Up Consultants. Choosing yes naturally speeds up the registration process the next time you receive a document from First Up Consultants. With that done, the invoice processing is complete and you can now register the document. Based on the information recognized from the PDF, a purchase invoice is created. The total invoice amount appears in the top section of the invoice, and the selected GL account is applied to the purchase line, along with the posting description taken from the document. The colleague who ordered this must approve the invoice, therefore it is sent for approval straight away. Returning to the document journal, the second invoice from First Up Consultants is ready for processing. This time the recognition of the document runs much faster as the template assigned to the vendor is already trained to recognize the required values. By activating the Recognize Fields function, Document Capture automatically applies the template changes and everything checks out just perfectly. The document is now ready to be registered. As with the first document, a purchase invoice is created. Every piece of information is 100% correctly recognized and captured from the incoming PDF. And the invoice can be sent for approval right away.